Hello everyone, welcome to Cherub Teaching Center. My name is Poonam and I'm a Microsoft certified educator. Today in this episode of MS Word, I'm going to train you on another interesting feature that we people have it in MS Word, which is to make your reading experience a wonderful one. And that is to create a distraction-free reading, which can be done through a reading mode option which is available in MS Word. So first of all, I will be showing you a demo and then you people may go ahead and practice at your end also. Okay, so let's go ahead people. Now first of all, this is a short template that I've just created as it for the demo purpose. Like this is an MS Word and there is some reading content that you people have uploaded on this document. So in order to make this reading content a good one, what exactly you people have to do is you need to go, because basically what happens is when the content is loaded on the MS Word, you people have to scroll it down like this. So rather than scrolling it down like this, in order to make this particular reading experience a distraction free one, what you people can do is you can click on this view option which is available over here. So once you click on the view option, there is another option which is available as reading mode. Okay, so what exactly you people need to do is that you need to click on this reading mode. Now you yourself can see the moment I have clicked on the reading mode, rest of the distraction free material is not available, and there is forward and backward option that again gets highlighted on the document itself, right? Okay, so you can click on the forward option, it will take you through next page, and now you yourself can see that the content becomes more readable. Yeah, so things are becoming more highlighted, the words are becoming more highlighted, and you people can read it in a better option. Okay, so this is how the things can be justified with the help of this option which is available in MS Word. Okay, so those viewers who are watching my channel for the very first time, I would request you to please go ahead, subscribe to Cherub Teaching Center. There are more things that are coming up your way. Okay, in case of any questions and queries, you can always approach me either on the same platform which is YouTube, or else you can also approach me on my Instagram ID, Facebook ID, or Microsoft Teams ID. My Instagram ID is cherub.teaching.center, Facebook ID is Cherub Teaching Center, or you can also reach me on the Microsoft Teams which is Cherubians altogether. So what are you waiting for? Just go ahead, subscribe to Cherub Teaching Center, and just open the doors to the new learning experience. Thank you so much everyone.